Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the equipment world lately, you know that 2026 is the year of AI Optimization 2.0. We've seen a massive shift toward high-performance hybrid golf clubs that don't just fly far, they actually stop on the green. Whether you're a beginner looking for ultimate forgiveness or a low-handicapper needing a stinger for windy days, the latest tech from brands like Ping, Callaway, and Titleist has something for everyone. This list matters because 2026 tech focuses on swing code data, clubs designed to perform even when your swing isn't perfect. We've tested dozens of models from the rough, the fairway, and the tee to bring you the definitive list of the best hybrid golf clubs 2025 and 2026 has to offer. Let's dive in. Number 5. Wilson Dynapower Hybrid. Performance. The Wilson Dynapower is the unsung hero of the 2026 season. It excels in pure launch. If you struggle to get the ball airborne, this club's variable face thickness ensures that even thin strikes climb into the air with ease. It's incredibly consistent and provides a towering ball flight that settles soft. Technology and features. Featuring a low center of gravity, CG, and Wilson's proprietary AI-designed face, this club maximizes ball speeds across the entire hitting surface. It doesn't have the bells and whistles of adjustable weights, but it focuses on raw, repeatable distance and high launch characteristics that help the average golfer. Design and build. It sports a clean, classic look with a slightly larger profile that inspires confidence at address. The finish is a premium black matte that reduces glare on sunny days, and the build quality feels substantial without being heavy. Weight and portability. This is a standard floor-friendly club, featuring a balanced swing weight that feels stable throughout the arc. It's light enough for moderate swing speeds to generate velocity. Pros. Exceptional launch height for slower swing speeds. One of the most affordable hybrid golf clubs in the premium category. Incredible forgiveness on low face strikes. Cons. Lacks adjustability for shot shaping. Sound can be a bit clunky compared to carbon-crowned rivals. Best for? Mid to high handicappers who want a reliable, high-launching club without breaking the bank. Price and value? Retailing around $200 to $220, the Dynapower offers massive value. You're getting 90% of the performance of the big-name brands for nearly $100 less, making it a top-rated choice for budget-conscious players. Final verdict? A high-launching machine that proves you don't need a massive budget to get pro-level results from the fairway. Number 4. Titleist GT2 Hybrid. Performance. The Titleist GT2 is the gold standard for versatility. It's the Swiss Army knife of hybrids. Whether you're hitting a high, soft draw into a par 5 or a low punch-out of the trees, the GT2 responds with incredible feel and a penetrating flight. Technology and features. New for the 2026 cycle is the seamless thermoform crown, made from a proprietary matrix polymer. This allows Titleist to move weight exactly where it's needed. It also features a new heel-toe CG adjustability system, allowing you to dial in a fade or draw bias. Design and build. Titleist is known for aesthetics, and the GT2 doesn't disappoint. It has a refined, playable shape that sits perfectly square. The aft weighting keeps it stable, while the relief pockets on the sole help it glide through the thickest rough. Weight and portability? It's a standard weight club, but feels fast. The aerodynamics are improved over the TSR series, making it feel sleek and easy to swing. Pros. Industry-leading turf interaction, highly adjustable for precise ball flight control, massive 10% MOI increase over previous generations. Cons? The compact head can be intimidating for beginners. Premium price point. Best for? Enthusiasts and better players who prioritize workability and turf-friendly performance. Price and value? At roughly $300, it's an investment. However, given its durability and the Titleist Sure-Fit hosel system, it's a club that can stay in your bag for years. Final verdict? The most versatile hybrid Titleist has ever made. Perfect for the player who demands control. Number 3. TaylorMade QI35 Max Rescue. Performance. The QI35 Max is built for one thing: keeping you in play. It's arguably the top-rated hybrid golf club for forgiveness. Even if you catch one near the toe, the twist face technology kicks in to keep the ball on the fairway. It produces a mid-high launch with surprisingly low spin. Technology and features. TaylorMade has maximized the MOI here. The QI35 features an infinity carbon crown that frees up mass to be placed low and deep. The through-slot speed pocket remains a staple, protecting ball speed on those common thin mishits. Design and build, it has a larger, more wood-like footprint. The laser-etched alignment line on the top is a game-changer for players who struggle to aim their hybrids correctly. The build is high-tech, featuring a multi-material construction. Weight and portability? Despite its larger size, the carbon crown keeps the total head weight manageable, allowing for higher clubhead speeds. Pros? Unmatched forgiveness on off-center hits, consistently fast ball speeds across the entire face, confidence-inspiring big look. Cons? A larger profile might not appeal to iron players. Non-adjustable hosel on the Max model. Best for? Beginners and mid-handicappers who want to eliminate their big miss and find more greens. Price and value? Priced around $279. Considering the straight distance tech inside, it's a fair price for a club that effectively replaces your most difficult-to-hit irons. Final verdict? The ultimate safety net for your long game. If you want to hit it straight every time, this is it. Number 2. Callaway Apex TI Fusion Hybrid. Performance. This is a high-performance hybrid golf club that blurs the line between a utility iron and a wood. The titanium face provides a spring-like effect that you usually only find in drivers. The launch monitor numbers we saw were consistently 2 to 3 miles per hour higher than the competition. Technology and features. Callaway uses its AI Smart Face, which was trained on thousands of real-world swings. This tech optimizes launch and spin based on where you actually hit the ball. The tungsten speed cartridge keeps the CG low and forward for a hot, penetrating trajectory. Design and build, it features a brazed titanium face and a sleek, player-preferred shape. The aesthetics are elite, with a dark, polished finish and a compact profile that looks great behind the ball. Weight and portability, it feels light and energetic. The use of titanium allows for a thinner face without sacrificing durability, making it feel incredibly poppy at impact. Pros? Highest ball speeds in the hybrid category. AI-optimized face for tight dispersion. Excellent for use off the tee. Cons? Very expensive, close to fairway wood pricing. Lower launch may be tough for slow swing speeds. Best for? Fast swingers and low to mid-handicappers looking for mini driver distance in a hybrid shape. Price and value? At $320 to $350, it's one of the priciest options on the market. You're paying for the titanium tech, and for those who need the extra yards, it's worth every penny. Final verdict? An technical masterpiece that offers unparalleled speed and a tour-level feel. Number 1. Ping G440 Hybrid. Performance. The Ping G440 takes the top spot because it does everything perfectly. It's the easiest club to hit on this list, regardless of your lie. From the thickest rough to a tight fairway lie, the G440 glides through and launches the ball high with incredible stopping power. It's the definition of versatility. Technology and features, the free hosel technology is the star here. By removing 4 grams of weight from the hosel and relocating it, Ping lowered the CG by a massive 12%. Combined with the carbon fly wrap and spin-sistency face, this club produces the most consistent spin rates in golf. Design and build, the G440 features individual shaping for each loft. The 2 Hybrid is slightly fade-biased for better players, while the 5, 6, and 7 Hybrids have a slight draw bias to help higher handicappers. It's a thoughtful, player-centric design. Weight and portability balanced to perfection. The Trajectory Tuning 2.0 hosel allows for 8 different loft and lie settings, making it easy to fit into any bag setup. Pros? The most forgiving hybrid on the market, 12% CG improvement. Incredible spin-sistency tech for predictable distances. Exceptional sound and compressed feel.
Cons: the blue and silver color scheme isn't for everyone. Can be hard to find in stock due to high demand. Best for everyone. Literally every golfer from a tour pro to a first-year beginner will benefit from the G440. Final verdict: the Ping G440 is the undisputed king of hybrids. Unbeatable forgiveness, personalized shaping, and pure performance. Many buyer's guide. Choosing the right hybrid comes down to your gap. Need distance? Go with the Callaway Apex TI Fusion. Its titanium face is a literal rocket launcher. Need straightness? The TaylorMade QI35 Max is your best friend. Its high MOI will keep you on the short grass. On a budget, you can't beat the Wilson Dynapower. It's high launching and high value. The all-rounder? The Ping G440 is the best overall choice for versatility across all skill levels.